What's up, guys? Welcome to your Bitcoin update. It is Sunday. I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm going to make this video as quick as possible. We're going to take a look at the DXY and then Bitcoin. Then we're going to look at that XRP chart that we started looking at before Christmas and see how that's playing out. Definitely stick around for the whole video. And don't forget, we have a free Discord group. There is a link below in the description. Definitely check it out. Let's get into it. All right, guys, as always, this is not financial advice, trading advice, nor is it investment advice. Disclaimer scrolling on the bottom. Make sure you read it. And don't forget, we do a Ledger Nano S hard wallet giveaway every Sunday. We'll be doing that at the end of the video. And if you want to enter to win next week's giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post videos, smash the like button, and leave a comment below. And that will get you entered to win. So looking at the Fear and Greed Index, we're up one from yesterday. We're at 94 in the extreme greed zone that we've been in forever. So looking at the DXY, you guys know what I'm expecting if you watch my channel. As long as we don't break this low again down here at 89.15, I do believe we're going to have what we've seen over here, another bounce of the dollar. Yes, people are saying the dollar is dead because they keep printing money. The Fed keeps printing money. But what people fail to want to look at is Tether. Tether has printed 55% of the Tether within the last 90 days. Bitcoin is pumped pretty high. If you could print monopoly money and buy Bitcoin and sell it and get real money back, would you do that? Tether. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin. So this is a chart from yesterday. I actually put this in later, but let's take a look at what's going on here. We did drop out of this rising channel. The measured move of that is around 35. Actually, I had to redo my lines, so right at about 35. But where we have to watch for a bounce here, remember it is the weekend. Look for a bounce in the 37.62 area, which would be retesting this trend line again. If we do get a bounce up there, there is still a possibility of getting up to that 43 before continuing down, but a drop below that 37.6, let's just say a drop below that, then we're probably looking towards the 35,000 range. It is possible, not saying it's a guarantee, because there is another spot we need to look at here, and that is right here around, this would be another spot I would look for a bounce around the 30. So these would be the two areas, 37.6, and then I would look for, if it didn't bounce there, I'd look for a bounce around the 36.5. If we drop through there, we'd be looking at the 35, but then that leads to a bigger, uglier mess, and that would be a measured move of breaking out of here. So possibly back down to the $28,000 range. Not saying it's going to happen, but keep an eye on these areas, guys. This is a supreme area to trade, in my opinion. If you would have traded the drop out of here, would be doing extremely well. I would be looking for this at least to go to 37.6 area. And again, after that, 36.5. After that, 34.9. After that, 28. That doesn't mean in one day, guys. If you guys are interested in trading, definitely check out Prime XBT. They don't trade against you like all the other exchanges. You can trade multiple trades, longs, shorts, everything all at the same time on leverage. I will leave a tutorial up top to how to use their leverage. Definitely check them out. You can use my promo code Savy50. That'll get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus to use towards your margin up to 1 Bitcoin. Savy25 will get you 25% off your fees. You can use them both together, and you can trade Bitcoin, EOS, Litecoin, XRP, Ethereum, Forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, everything, all from this one exchange. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. And let's get into, this is another chart I wanted to look at. As you can see, every time the dollar bounces, usually signifies Bitcoin's topped or very close to the top. Be careful here, guys. I'm not saying it can't continue up. We're going to take a look at a few different directions, but this is looking pretty ugly. And like I said, with all the tether going on, and again, if you could print fake money, buy Bitcoin, wouldn't you want to pull real money out? Just a suggestion. But anyways, looking at this in the macro in white as a 1, 2, 3. The 3 could be at the end of the year around 49,000 to 50,000 if this cycle is like the last and it's a 4-year cycle. But I will show you in a chart here in a few that it could be a year ahead. But the 3.618, which would be extended third wave, obviously from here, looking at the yellow, would be the smaller count within the macro. So you need 3 waves for the third wave, or 5 waves for the third wave, and that is in the yellow. Top of that would be around 43,000 is the highest I see it getting up there. Could get a huge spike there before coming down, but after that, if we did get to the 33, these are the retracement levels, and look at that, the 0.382 is at 28,000. That makes a lot of sense, but I showed you in past videos why I believe this wave 4, if this is the bullish case, this wave 4 should be in June. If we drop below this 14,000 at any point, it could get extremely ugly, but these are my bounce areas. The golden pocket is around 18.8, would be the lowest I think we could go before popping back up. Other than that, we get below this stuff, guys, and it could get extremely ugly. But like I said, this could be a year ahead of time. Let's look at, we are dropping below this right now in the, as you can see, I have a triangle in here. The 4-hour RSI is dropping below that. So that's a pretty bearish sign, guys. Our next stop here, according to the 4-hour 55 EMA, is around 36,000. A drop below that, we'd be looking at 28.8 range. And if this is a rising wedge and we drop out of the bottom of this, it could get very ugly. But there's a good possibility we come down to this range and pop up back towards the end of the year. We'll see what happens. But as of right now, we've dropped through the 200 EMA on the 4-hour. The next stop is around 36,000 here by looking at this. If we close below here on the RSI. And I've showed you guys this. The funding rate right now is ridiculous. It looks like it's ready to come down. But again, every time we pop up here, we got to watch on the daily because the 8 EMA lies around 37,000. We could get a bounce there according to the daily. So keep an eye on it. Something I wanted to point out. Last time, you can see over here, we had this rising channel in 2017. We had 2 bumps up towards the top. And if we draw a line across that top one, we came back down to test it for support a long time later and end up breaking through the bottom. If we were to do that over here, that area would be around 12.7, and that could bring us, you know, depending on what happens. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but look at this break was 213%. If we went up 213% from here, it'd be around $46,000. If it got up to this range, but you can see what happened every time it's parabolic like this, guys. Be freaking careful. Everybody's talking it up. Remember back in 2017 over here, all these people that were talking it up at the top had to wait 2 years. Actually longer than that, 2017 to 2019 to even get close back to that. Could we be entering a multi-year bear cycle? It is a possibility. One thing I wanted to point out, let's look at the bottoms of these when it hit the bottom of this rising channel. This was July 2017. See where this one hit the bottom. Would be July 2020. Let's look at the second one. That would be September 2017. Over here, September 2020. Could we be a year ahead? It is a possibility, guys. Be careful here. Be very careful. Yeah, it could come back down just like it did over here. We had another mini one right here in 2019. So be careful. Let's look at XRP. So we posted this a couple days before Christmas. Look at this as a 1, 2. We posted it right around here. I think it was right around 38 cents or something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our 3 hit almost perfect. 4 hit almost perfect now. Are we looking to come down to the 4 cents? I believe that's extremely possible. Be careful, guys. Check out my wife's webpage, anchorimage.com. She has a lot of cool crypto stuff on here. If you go down to the Bitcoin section, also personalized gifts or quality stuff, guys. She does them herself. So definitely check them out. It's not, you know, iron on crap or none of that junk. So, all right, let's pick a random number. 1. So That will be, if you guys haven't checked out my YouTube channel, go to it, check it out here. You can subscribe to the channel, doesn't cost you anything. This join button is just a support. But anyways, there's some helpful videos down here if you guys want to check them out. Feel free, and let's get into, this will be yesterday's video. That would be number 1. Let's copy the link address. Bring it over to the random YouTube comment picker. And once again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and you leave a comment below the video to help YouTube's algorithm out. Let's get random comments and pick our winner. All right, let's see who we got here. Ledger ought to be sued, security hacks daily. Well, the good thing about it is, Topher Dowling, get a hold of me. I will verify it's you, and then we'll get your ledger sent out to you. But the good thing is, if you get it free through, you know, a drawing like this, they don't have your information to link your information. So, yeah. Anyway, Topher, get a hold of me. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the Crypto Savvy logo above my head. Smash the like button, leave your comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell and make sure your notifications are turned on so you will be notified when my videos come out. Thanks, guys, and I'm out.